Jussi's rear shock absorber is kaput. Yes. You can see it's bouncing too much and it's making that kind of click sound. Okay, now we are getting off from Estonia and going to Latvia, yes.
And here is the border. Eesti Vabariik ja Latvia.
And now the language is like that. I cannot understand it anymore. Finnish and Estonian are almost the same, but Latvian language is totally different.
Latvian language is like, sounds like Russian, but it's not Russian.
Yeah, same with the Polish and Lithuanian. Hello, Latvia! Okay, we are now in Latvia. Village is called Masakala or something like that. And it's very easy to know that you're not in Estonia. It's a very much different kind of country. There's a lot of those big birds what brings babies. I don't know what is the name. There's like hundreds of them. It looks nice. Now we're trying to find some place to eat. Nice city or village. This is some grocery store maybe. Yeah. We'll see. Okay, we just ate something, bread and sausages, and now we are heading into Valmiera or Volmar city of Latvia, and we will try to find a place to sleep so that we can start heading to Trans-Euro Trail Latvia from there on the morning and back to Estonia and to Finland. Yorki has lost his map, or maybe not. Oh. let's see. It was nice little town. Okay, I think that this village is called Matisi, and it has beautiful church. Very nice. And it seems to be a beautiful city anyway. Okay, we are now in Valmiera, or Walmart, or however they say this city name. Looks much bigger than the village before. What York is doing? This is wrong gear. This is another road that my GPS says. We are now going to hotel.
Trying to go to hotel. We didn't know, do we have a room there?
Yeah.
We're trying to find a room. This day was a little bit exhausting. We haven't driven much this day. But the road has been so a little bit difficult.
BMX.
Okay.
Okay, it's this. This is the hotel. Let's see if we have room. Okay, there wasn't any room for us here, so we tried to find another hotel. Hopefully we get lucky this time. Okay, now we start to be in the city center. This is actually quite a beautiful city. Actually very beautiful. Old church. Valmiera. Nice city! Yeah. Strange looking bridge, but beautiful. Hey, our hotel is supposed to be right here. Let's see if we are lucky this time. Nice hotel. Maybe nice, who knows. Okay, we got ourselves a hotel from this Viesina Unkel Unse. We take bikes downstairs so they are safe, better. Okay, I'll show you our room. Three separate beds and fireplace and television. Nothing special, but it'll do well, I think. I'm tired.